back. It's another wig review, and today the wig we're going to be reviewing is a pure natural wig, Bohemian Chic Remy, in the style Wig Soul and the color Charcoal. It was sent to me from a beauty supply store named Beauty For You. Thank you so much, Beauty For You, for this wig. I will list them down in the description box for you guys. This wig today is made of Kanekalon Futura fibers. You can put heat to it, but it is synthetic, just for you to know. The wig comes looking like so right out of the package. There's not a lot going on, it doesn't seem like, but it does come with this phenomenal parting space, which I'm going to show you right here. The wig is a full wig cap. Doesn't have any combs, just an adjustable strap. It was really comfortable and easy to just put right onto my head. It is not big head friendly, but it is stretchy. So you might put it on. I'm just letting you know it might be a little snug. The texture of the wig is definitely silky, but it's not shiny to the eye with natural lighting. That is just my lighting. I did go ahead and play with the hair a little bit with my fingers. This is definitely a finger styling type of wig that you just have to play around with and make it your own. Unfortunately, the makeup look that I had is the same makeup look from the other wig that I was reviewing for you guys, the last video, where I didn't like my makeup look. So forgive me if I look like a clown, but I will try to do another video doing my makeup and make it look slay, because I really did like this wig. As you can see, I started playing with it, and the more you play with it, the more you like it. It's just really, really cute. It's very, very mature looking, but you can make it your own. It's very versatile, and that parting area is what makes the wig. I'm trying to tell you. The back is amazing. It's laid, like just simple as you can, you can think of it. But if you do finger with your hands, if you do finger with your hands, with your fingers, kind of like the same thing that I was doing in the front, you can give it some layers in the back, as you can see, and it looks really nice. You make sure you pull it all the way down. My hair underneath is natural and short, so my little BBs were showing back there, but if you take the time to pull it over that, it lays against your neck really nice and tapered. So I really like that. It's very, very sleek. I definitely will do another video with this wig, only because I really like it, and I wish I would have done my makeup justice for you guys to see it really being slayed. But that part is everything. The texture is everything. The layers at the top are everything. You just want to give it a little bit of volume, play with it, and make it your own. I like it. It's simple. You can put it on your head, and I even love this color, which is charcoal, but they do have other colors. If you would like something more neutral, I can only imagine this. But for those of you who do not like the layers and you want to switch it up and just keep it nice and sleek, I wanted to show you guys that you can do that as well. You might want to lay down the other side there a little bit more with some gel or something, just so it can really lay against your head flat. But I wanted to give you guys another look at how you could rock this wig. Very cute. I really like this wig, you guys, and I'm glad that I was able to review it for you. Thanks so much to Beauty For You for sending it to me. I will link them down in the description box for you guys, as well as the name and all the specs on this wig. Excuse my phone, but wait, before you go, please check out another video. I have tons of wig reviews. If you're new to my channel, don't miss out. And if you are one of my loyal royal subscribers, you already know. I will see you guys in the next video, you guys. Love you. Stay royal.